Hello everybody, Sarah here from our furniture flipping adventure. I'm filming this in the middle of a giant rainstorm, and the rain pounding on the metal roof of my workshop was making it absolutely impossible to record audio. So here I am, future Sarah, voicing over for you. I picked up this piece from Facebook Marketplace for $20, and I was expecting a full-size chest, but got this little guy because there were no dimensions, and of course I forgot to ask for them. But that's okay, we'll be giving her a beautiful makeover anyways. There are a few chips to the finish that we'll have to be filling in, but first we're going to be giving it all a good scrub down. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any clean water with me into the shop before it started raining cats and dogs, so I tried to rinse my rag by reaching out into the rain, and that didn't exactly work, so I had to duck and cover and run for some water and got a little damp, but I need fresh water to not only rinse out my rag, but then to wipe down the piece after I clean it so that there's no residue from my cleaner left over. Last time I used this paint, I shook it up, and a few of the people in the comments told me that it would be much better if I stirred it rather than shaking it, so I am following their advice this time, and I can say that it did not turn out as frothy as it did when I shook it all up. So the first time around was user error, but this time I'm definitely getting the hang of this paint, and I truly do enjoy using it. I also really appreciate that people can share in the comments things that I may not know. I don't pretend to know everything about painting furniture. I don't even pretend to know a whole lot about painting furniture. I just really enjoy doing it, and the more that I learn from others, the better I can become. So a very special thank you to those who leave me comments trying to better me and build me up and teach me something rather than tear me down. Let me just say real quickly for the record that stenciling a piece all over is not for the weak of heart. It took me a lot longer than I was anticipating, and my wrist was tired by the end. With only about $10 of materials, I was able to completely transform this piece, and I hope you enjoyed watching the process. If there was anything that you liked in today's video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It goes a long way in helping the channel out. I would really love to hear from you, so please go ahead and while you're down there liking the video, leave me a comment and I'll respond to you as soon as I see it. Until next week, I'm Sarah with our furniture flipping adventure. Bye.